presented by Line Haul Truck Sales, 2007 MACK Granite Roll-Off. Galbreath 23-foot roll-off body, capable of inner and outer rail boxes. (288-inch) wheelbase, hydraulic tarp system, 46,000-pound Hendrickson Hallmax suspension, steerable drop axle, factory full double frame, 456 ratio. Tilt cylinders are operational. Reeving cylinders are operational for loading and unloading boxes. Curbside mounted toolbox, 18,000-pound front axle, MACK E7 350, 350 horsepower. (315 ADR 22.5) floats on the steer axle, 542,000 miles. Eaton Fuller 8 low transmission. Presented by Line Haul Truck Sales. For more information, check us out at linehaul.net. Give us a call or send an email. Thanks for watching.